This is a vertical slider that I have created using HTML and CSS only. I have used this slider to display the recent comments. Let's create this beautiful animated vertical slider. I have created a folder named vertical slider, and inside this folder there are another folder named avatars, and inside this folder there are 5 avatars. Those I will use later. Now I will create a file named index.html inside vertical slider. I will create one more file named styles.scss. Now I will write some basic CSS like margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, and for all images I will use width 100%, height auto. Now I will run live SAS compiler. It will compile this styles.scss file to styles.css file, and I will link it to index.html file. Now I will run live server to see the changes instantly. Now I will create a div with the class comments. Inside this div, there will be more 5 divs with the same class comment. Inside each div, there will be 2 divs. The first one will be avatar and the second one will be details. Inside this div, there will be the image tag, and I will link all the images here. Now inside these divs, there will be more 3 divs with the classes name, time, and comment body. I have written all necessaries like name, time, comment body in off record. Now I will start to design. I will start from body. Inside body there is comments class, and inside comments class there is comment. Inside comment there is avatar. Inside avatar there is image. I will decrease the image size with width 70 pixel. I will use display grid, grid template columns 70 pixel on offer, gap 10 pixel. I will use display flex for comments class. Flex direction column, justify content, center, align items, center, and I will use the height to 100 VAs. I will use a default color for all the text inside body. So I will use color hash 5b 5b 5b, and I will style the details now. Inside details there are name, time, and comment body. I have chosen some fonts from Google Fonts and I will use them now. For name, I will use font family Nunito, sans serif, font size to 20 pixel, font weight to 700. I will use font family quicksand for time. Quicksand, sans serif, font size 13 pixel. I will use font family Railway for comment body. Sans serif, font size 16 pixel. I think this comment section need more padding here. 10 pixel, 15 pixel. The avatar and the details are not centered vertically. So to center it vertically, I will use display flex for both avatar and details. Display flex, align items, center. And for details, display flex, flex direction, column, justify content, center. Now everything is centered vertically. Now I am going to animate these comments. Before animate, I have to use position relative for comments and position absolute for comment. I also use opacity 0 for comment and animation. First of all, I will give a name, for example slide up, then the time 15 seconds, then the animation type linear and infinite. Now I will create this animation using keyframe. At the end of all, I will create that keyframes named slider at 0%, transform, translate y, 100%, scale 0.5, opacity 0, at 5%, 20%, transform, translate y, 100%, scale 0.7, opacity 0.4, at 25%, 40%, transform, translate y, 0, scale on, opacity on, at 45%, 60%, transform, translate y, minus 100%, scale 0.7, opacity 0.4, at 65%, 100%, transform, translate y, minus 100%, scale 0.5, opacity 0. Now I have to set the animation delay for each comment. This is the comment. After comment, I will write comment and child on, and I will use animation delay minus 3 seconds. To target the second one, I will use comment and child to animation delay 0 second. For the third one, animation delay 3 seconds. For the fourth one, animation delay 6 seconds. For the last one, hand side high, animation delay 9 seconds.